Hello everyone, my name is Ishika Taylor and I am going to present my next task of the Spark Foundation internship, which is Exploratory Data Analysis on Terrorism Data. Welcome to my analysis project. Before I explain it, I want to tell you that I have used dataset which is provided by the Spark Foundation and the tabular software for visualization. So, I'm going to start by talking about the most successful places where terrorists attack city-wise, and then analysis on terrorism in the world by on the basis on attack type, weapon type, successful attacks, numbers of killed in attack, and lastly, the most lethal terrorism organization in the world. This map shows world terrorism attack by target type like abortion related, business, food or water, government, military, NGO, police, etc. So let us consider for India. In India, north side and south side, more attacks have occurred, and also we can see that the large amount of attacks is on businesses and private citizen and property. The next visualization is suicide and attack visualization. We can analyze most occurred attack type and how many suicides have occurred. The most common attack type is armed assault. We can clearly see that. And then the next visualization is successful terrorist attack by target type. Deeper dive into the global terrorism dataset revealed that a large portion of the attacks are carried out on private citizen and property and military. For about police, business, and government, that account for nearly 35 to 40% of successful terrorism attack in the world. Transition to weapon, we can see that majority of attack utilized explosive and firearms. Since there is no metadata was given to define these matrices, I assume that this includes explosives such as homemade bombs and dynamite. Explosive weapon success rate is high compared to firearms. Weapon type used most by each target type. Explosive devices are shown to populate majority of weapon used in successful terrorism attack for top 5 countries, as we can see in graph. And for about private citizen and property, uh, the explosive rate is high again, and then firearms, and then so on. Now, looking at success of years from 1965 to 2020, we can clearly see that 2015 has highest ratio of success compared to all other year. Next is country distribution of number killed by weapon typing. So for high ratio is for Iraq. Number of kill ratio is high for Iraq country, and then Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nigeria, and India. India is at 5th number, which is not quite good. And for Iraq, high ratio is for explosive weapon type, and then firearm, and then so on. This visualization shows most lethal terrorist organization in the world. So first is Islamic State of Iraq and Levant ISIL killed 38,923, and then top 5 organizations are ISIL, Taliban, Boko Haram, SL, and so on. We can clearly see. Thank you. For more information, check out description.